Yo, look at all these propane tanks. I swear to God, if one explodes, I'm dead. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yo, we're out. No, we're gonna go this way. Look at this roof. This roof is crazy. Which way? Yeah, let's go.
Wait, hold on. Before we go, flip that over. No.
That was really good. I dare you to kick one of those propane tanks.
No.
Breathe it in, and then you'll talk like a really high-pitched guy.
No, that's helium.
Oh, that's helium. Oh, crap.
Yeah, suck it in
We're
there.
blocking the sun. Block the sun.
I'm not flipping anything.
Alright, come on. Yo, I want to know what this machine is real quick. Oh. Yo, this was like a cafe. This is a cappuccino machine.